In the current AI landscape, we are flooded with hundreds of different language models. How do you choose the best one for you? Can you combine the strengths of multiple models to tackle your biggest challenges? Enter Branchula, the all-in-one tool for AI power users. We'll dive right in to get you set up and running as quickly as possible. Let's start by selecting models for our first query. We have some default models already provided for us. On the left-hand side, you will see the analysis model highlighted in purple. This model is your report generator. It will create both a comparison report and a combined result. On the right side are the models under Compare. You can either remove models by clicking the X, or you can bring up the model selector with the plus button. The model selector breaks up models based on vendor or by our featured list, which has categories such as popular, smartest, and fastest. Select whichever models you are interested in comparing. Then you will see those models populated underneath your prompt input box. Enter in whatever prompt you would like. In this case, I'm interested in what black hole is closest to Earth. I will send that prompt off, and here you can see all of the models updating in real time. If you are interested, you can use the expand button to see the model's entire result, or you can click the copy to clipboard button in order to copy that result to your clipboard. Here is another analysis report for a different prompt. This shows off the model specific points that use color coding to give you a quick, at a glance idea of how the models differ from one another. The yellow responses are minor differences, red is potential hallucinations, and purple is major divergences. The difference between red and purple is that the analysis model cannot be certain if purple is wrong or if it is just different from the other responses. Below model specific points, we have combined results, summary, and majority summary. The summary is just that, a few sentences about the results from all the models. Majority summary lists the majority consensus if there is one. If there is not a majority, or if all the models agree, then this tab will not be shown. Combined results is a unified response that synthesizes all model responses. Only compatible ideas are concluded. This, in effect, gives you a hive mind result. You can favorite or block models under User Settings. Models that you set as favorites will become your new defaults. Blocked models will be filtered out of the model selector. This allows you to narrow down to the models that are the best fit for your use case. You can remove models from either list at any time. Now, enjoy creating with your fleet of models.